Essential tips for a vibrant complexion. Do you want your skin to look vibrant and healthy? Let's talk about some simple tips for skin health. Cleanse gently. Use a mild cleanser to wash your face twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Moisturize daily. Hydrate your skin with a moisturizer suitable for your skin type to keep it soft and supple. Protect from the sun. Apply sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Eat a balanced diet. Nourish your skin from the inside out by eating fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and rejuvenate. By following these simple tips, you can achieve a vibrant complexion and keep your skin looking its best.